It's a 2015 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. Muscular yet graceful, thrilling yet serene, this C-Class is the precise balance of all things Mercedes-Benz. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: streaming audio, dual-zone climate control, memory steering wheel settings, aluminum wheels, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive, external memory control, driver memory seats, automatic with driver control suspension management, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and memory exterior door mirror settings. Car and Driver finds the C-Class represents the maker at its Teutonic best, tenaciously addressing previous deficiencies with measured doses of technology and style. High style, high performance, Mercedes-Benz. Experience it for yourself today.
At Metropolitan Ford, you'll always get a great experience and a great price. Stop in and see us today. We're conveniently located off Plaza Drive in Eden Prairie.